Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to browse the internet on a Vizio Smart TV in 2026. Now, Vizio focuses on streaming applications rather than full web browsing. So instead of installing Chrome or Safari, you will need to use workarounds that mirror or stream the content from the other devices. So you can use your phone or laptop to mirror the screen. On Android, you can use Screencast. On iPhone, you can use AirPlay, or on Windows, you can use Cast or Wireless Display. Once connected, you can open your web browser on your device and it will show directly on your TV. The next thing that you can do is you can connect a streaming device like Roku or Apple Fire Stick or Google Chromecast. Some of these support limited browsing or casting from the Chrome web browser. Now, you can also connect the laptop via HDMI port, and this is one of the most reliable method. So you need to simply use an HDMI cable to connect your laptop to the TV. Your TV then becomes a big screen monitor and you can then browse normally using your laptop. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.